I'm on a 25-ton Linux right now. I'm checking the charge on the coolant. It's like 55 degrees out here right now. So it's kind of cool right now. I'm gonna check out my amps. Each compressor, each blower motor, the indoor and outdoor. And I got 4 outdoor fans. Again, you can't see them. It's spinning a lot faster than that though. They're all spinning. It's good to let the system run for a while, you know, before you can really get some accurate readings. So I'm just going through it, you know, I'm just checking everything. I check the belt. And the filters are good. The evaporator is a little dusty. That's my indoor blower right there. These are my compressors. It looks like one. That's the second one. Third one isn't running right now. Yeah, it's not running right now. That's the third one. Number 3. Come over here and check my outdoor fan motor. Got 4 caps right there. Got like 1 amp on all of them. They're rated like 1.3. So they're working good. Check my split. I got 48 supply, 58 return. That's not good. That's not a good split. Like I say, it's kind of cool out here. And the economizer, you know what? The economizer might be open a little bit on this one, bringing in some outdoor air, since it is kind of cool. Let me check my pressures again. Yeah, I'm still like 100 on my low side. That's kind of low. And, go through and check everything. We'll come back, you know, when it warms up. We'll come back and check the pressures again, you know. It's good to do maintenance on the commercial units like 4 times a year. So this is the first cooling check of the year. Like I say, it's really too cool, but you know, we just, you know, we check them anyway. Yep. Sometimes you let it run, and what you could do is cover up the condenser fan motors. Like if you have a bag or a tarp, you can cover them up sometimes on a cool day, and that'll help your head pressure rise up. You know, it'll help, you know, both pressures rise, really. I got them jumped out over here, first and second stage. fan's running. Condenser coil, kind of dirty. It's due for a clean pretty soon. All right then, y'all have a good one.